Hey, welcome to Fridays with Frank.
Hey, I'm Tony Bishop.
I'm Frank Fugent.
And here with you at Central Heat and Air Company. So we're having a Friday with Frank day, and we just want to talk about this photo, Max, Frank.
Yeah, listen, my testimony is I have pretty bad asthma, and I would have an asthma attack at least 3-4 times a month. Got introduced with this bad boy, and Tony,
Yeah.
I haven't had I still take my medicine, but I haven't had an asthma attack.
Yeah, we probably got introduced to the Photomax probably about 8 years ago. We introduced it actually in our own homes. We found, with Lori, my wife's got a lot of sinus infections and stuff, and we installed this, so it's reduced that tremendously. She's got really sensitive allergies, and I've got sensitive allergies, but I tell you, the biggest testimony I got is I love bacon. I like bacon, and so when Lori's in there cooking bacon, we've got this bacon smell going on. All we do is go over there and turn our fan on, because this installs in your unit. Okay, when you install this in your unit and that air is circulating, it turns your unit into a whole house purifying system. So when she's turning that on, she'll turn the fan, to circulate the air. It actually kills the smell of the bacon.
And also another thing it does, it kills mold, it kills viruses, it kills measles, common cold. Now, I'm not an expert, but they say it kills the coronavirus within 3 minutes upon start, don't it, Tony?
Clinically tested that it kills viruses on items like your tables and stuff like that.
Yeah.
So that's incredible. But we've got bukus of testimonies, don't we?
We do. Another thing I love, we register it. There's a model and serial number right here. Lifetime warranty, okay?
You can't beat the warranty on that.
The UV bulb, 2-year manufacturer's warranty.
Yes.
So I love it. I absolutely love it.
Yeah. So that's the reason we bring this up, and we brag on this, because it's this company, Ultraviolet, that's all they do is air purifications in your home. So they know what they're doing. This is the best product as far as the bang for the buck, the warranty on it. We have very seldom problems with this. Maybe one a year or something. Well, all we do is get you a new one, pop it right in there. We process it in the warranty. So
hey, can we give them a deal right now?
I think we need to give them a deal.
Hey, if you call in today, Friday the 7th, ask for, or say the name Frank or Tony, we'll give you $200 off of this.
Be with us next Friday with
Fridays with Frank.